What is the largest bird in the world? A. Ostrich. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A. Parrot. What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle. Which bird is known for its distinctive laughing call? A. Kookaburra. Which bird is considered a symbol of peace? A. Dove. Which bird is capable of flying backwards? A. Hummingbird. Which bird is known for its bright red plumage? A. Cardinal. What is the fastest bird in level flight? A. Peregrine falcon. Which bird is capable of mimicking a chainsaw? A. Lyrebird. What is the smallest bird in the world? A. Bee hummingbird.